Are you seeing this here? Hold on. I'm flying right near Trop. I think there's an event going on here. But I'll fly you around here a bit. We are in beautiful St. Petersburg. This is downtown St. Pete. Whoa, high wind velocity. Look at that Tropicana field. We got these cool baseballs here actually. Whoa, we are up in it. Let's see if we can peek in. I don't want to get too close now. There's very strong winds right now. Whoa. Ah. This is crazy. Look at that field. The D's a little not lit. I think there's something going on. How high are we right now? Only 168 feet up. Can I zoom in? There's no zoom on the Avata 2. Trying to peek in there. I don't know. What's the play? How much percentage do I got? 40. Only got 5 minutes flight time? I didn't prepare this. This is the first test run. The Avata's really having to work hard since it's super windy. Let's peek over here. I'll show you downtown St. Pete. Oh, it might be a quick flight. This one. Oh, there it is. DTSP. Beautiful in all its glory. Kind of want to get near this this little twirly parking garage here. Whoa, getting very dizzy. Ah, let's see. Only got 3 minutes of flight time left. This is whack. Oh, it's down there. Whoa, going in. Whee! Nah, that's sick. Going up. Well, that was a quick flight, but I wanted to show you one more time here. Whoa, where is it? What's the sign? This was the first, maybe. I just wanted to see if we could do a little flight together. Whoa! Test out the capabilities of the Avata 2. I usually don't fly it so high up. Ah, that was kind of crazy. Let's get a little closer. Investigate. Let's see what's on the back of this ball, and then we'll head back. And nothing. Ah, that's sick. Number 2 ball. All right, I'm gonna head back to the crib. Whoa, look at that. Heading back. All right, well, that was cool. And now if we look to the left, the coast is over there. Got the Gulf. Not the Gulf, Pacific. All right, well, that was an interesting flight. It's my first one flying so high. Let me back up. Whee! Do some twirls. All right, let me head back to me. It's giving me a 2-minute warning. Jeez, I didn't charge anything. I'm gonna fly down low quickly. You can see me. Ah, I'll do a little acrobatics. Whoa, acrobatics. It worked. Oh wait, no, don't do that. Don't return the... What's the cancel button? Alright, we got 2 minutes left. It's telling me return home. I know. Alright, we'll do a couple twirls. Whoa, man, my posture's bad. Very bad posture. Whoa, back up. Let's see. We should do more of these. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, it's weird. Scooter. Anyways, I think the wind made it work the battery harder. But that was cool. Alright, I'm gonna land this bad boy. Let's land it. Yeah. It's a good angle actually. Angle right there. Alright, cool flight. Let's see. We're gonna turn that off. Oh, I think there's something going on over there. I think baseball just started. I'll show you the setup here. Whoa. Got the Avata 2 setup on the go. Scooter. Gave myself a little headache. Show you what's in the bag here. You got this. Goes on the goggles. Do that. Oh yeah, there's a game starting. I can hear them announcing. This one goes in there. Right, like so. Alright, we're gonna do this again tomorrow. Some more of these interactive flights. Turn this off. Now, let's see. Show you the Avata 2. Yeah, I've got the light kit, firehouse light kit, landing gear, firehouse bumpers, and pretty sweet setup here. These lights, you can toggle through. You hold it. There's let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's the police one. There's the bright one. There's the strobe one. There's the little one, the big one. There's a lot of different ones. I like the strobe one's sick, and if you hold it, it turns it off, I think. And if you just tap it, it turns on the light. And then the bottom, you got these ones here. You could toggle those, flash, flash. Then there's like super bright, and these ones are kind of tricky. Super bright. Look at that. Oh God, how do I turn it off? Ow! And there's like the strobe flash. Freaking blind yourself. How do I turn this off? You gotta toggle through. Jesus. Anyways, there it is. God, I'm blinded myself. What? I think they have a game right now. I'm gonna put this. Everything fits so nicely in here. That right there. Let's see. I do want to take some more of these videos. Exploring St. Pete, and I'll show you. Get that. Everything fits like a glove. See that? This goes right here. Bam. Like so. Remote. I'm gonna take these pins out. Not pins, joysticks. Right here. Hey, let's go. The whole roof blew off last year. This goes right there. This goes right here. That zips up there. And let's head back home, plug this in, and fire up. And I'll catch you later. Love you. Bye bye. Fire in the hole.